Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from May's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Super Bloom. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Body Serum, Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter, Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer, Ciate London Dewy Blush, and the Cosmetics Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. In addition to these products, Boxycharm also sent over the Refreshments Dazzling 5-Blade Razor Kit to announce its debut to Boxycharm. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, let's test out the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. Right off the bat, I'm loving the packaging. It has this cap that prevents you from pumping and having any of the product spill out while not in use. This uses light reflective technology to create a glowy, pearlized finish and reduce the appearance of pores and red skin tone. It's meant to be the last step in your skincare routine and the first step in your makeup routine. Now let's test out the Basic Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. This is formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts up to 12 hours. I'm smoothing this onto my eyelids using my finger as instructed. It doesn't have any pigment to it, but it does seem to give a smoothing and blurring effect. The primer's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Let's move on to the Ciate London Glossy Cheek Tint in the shade Coconut. It's a nice bronzy nude color with a jelly-like consistency. I'm applying it by tapping it on with my fingers. I like the glossy sheen look it gives, but it's not very pigmented. Finally, I'm applying the Cosmetik Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick in the shade Bubbly. This claims to be lightweight and long-wearing with a matte finish. I love the formula. It's so creamy and smooth. Here's the finished look using products from May's Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.